baga bigat tayo. Amin apo panagkunak apo ket successful met detoy job fair tayo ta. Since this morning alas 9 adot na kapilang aplikanten. We have 33 local companies, employers, and we have 6 overseas manpower agencies nga. Ag-recruit da apo ti 700 plus nga trabaho. Around 725 po.
Ano, dagiti nga trabaho mo? Dagiti papalindagon tawayan?
First of all, kadagiti local industries apo ket ranging from sales assistants to cashiers to merchandisers. Dagiti overseas apo ket for Japan, a number of agricultural works, adamit digitay pang parang welding something. And then aduti para restaurants in Kuwait, ada digitay para restaurants sa apo, Croatia, mga health assistants yata yung mga yon. And then Poland, I think it's the same. Ni Mariano Marcos Memorial Hospital daytoy tatta. Recruit so na ti mga professionals like speech therapists, psychologists, nurses apo. Adu ti recruitment din so maragsakan na kapo. I don't have ilan ang hired on the spot. Tatlo pa lang. Medyo na minti recruitment process kasi adada kumpanya nga adapi lang further assessment da. DJ ma'am.
Inga na ano oras dati mo?
Well, din nakakabuild the invitation ma'am get until 5 p.m. Ngem no masapa amalpas ket lagpack up tayo. By the way apo, adapay tay service, adapay one-stop shop tayo, ada PhilHealth, OWA, Pag-ibig, DMW, NBI, SSS. Iso nga apo, digiti ada masapol na nga mai-submit when makisarita ka dito nga government agencies. May dalat ta. Let's take this opportunity to be here at SM, shop, at the same time, take advantage of the services. Intugot mi by APO, ti City Government of Laoag, intugot mi by TBPLO, Business Process Licensing Office, tapnon dito baro nga mahayran, mapandaalan dito requirements da. Intugot mi by ti IT, tapnon dito tattao, APO nga awan resume, dahil nakasave on Canva, mabalinda agpa-print dito APO. So nga, we want everything to be as convenient as possible. So, agpaspasalamat tayo ti mall management under the leadership of Sir Gian Kiawit and Ma'am Tina for all the help and assistance being given to the city government of Laoag, sir. Ma'am.